Hello student, today we are going to find out COP of refrigerator from second law of thermodynamics. COP means efficiency of refrigerator. COP full form coefficient of performance of the refrigerator. The efficiency of refrigerator we find out in form of COP. Now, what is refrigerator? A refrigerator is a device which remove heat from a space and maintain its temperature below the ambient temperature. Ambient temperature means atmospheric or surrounding temperature, and remove heat is rejected at higher temperature. Okay, in the figure, this is a refrigerator cycle. This is refrigerator. This is refrigerator. This is the higher temperature source, hot body, temperature T2. This is the lower temperature source, cold body, temperature T1. Here temperature T1 is less than T ambient, T atmospheric temperature or ambient temperature. We input work WR to the refrigerator. Without input work, heat from cold body to hot body, it is impossible. Okay, here Q amount of heat extracted or removed from the cold space. Cold space means refrigerating space, by the input work WR. Without input work WR, it is not possible to remove or extract heat from refrigerating space. Okay, now total heat delivered to the hot body, total heat rejected to the hot body Q2. Q2 equal to Q1 plus WR. Okay, Q2 equal to Q1, this Q1 plus WR, this WR. Okay, Now we find out coefficient of performance of the refrigerator. Coefficient of performance of the refrigerator. COP of refrigerator equal to refrigerating effect RE by work done WD, that means WR. Here refrigerating effect RE means heat extracted or removed from the refrigerating space or cold body. Work done means work input WR to the refrigerator, to the compressor. Okay, so COP of refrigerator equal to refrigerating effect RE by work done equal to RE refrigerating effect by work done equal to work done. What is work done? Q1 heat extracted or removed, Q2 heat rejected to the hot body. So WP equal to Q2 minus Q1. Okay, from this equation, now refrigerating effect by heat rejected, this is the heat rejected, this is heat rejected by refrigerating effect. Refrigerating effect means heat extracted or heat removed from the cold space, from the cold body, Q1. So COP of refrigerator equal to Q1 by Q2 minus Q1. Okay, it is clear, my student. Thank you.